everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
Fine.
What are you excited about today?
We've got Sofia The First toys.
Oh!
We've got so many of them.
And these have come from Jakks, Disney Junior.
And we've got some little ones as well.
Oh, wow.
And we've got a crown.
Oh, my word. What else is in there? It's full, isn't it, this box?
And
we
we've
have a
got
quick peek
a
inside?
little camera.
Oh.
And
Okay.
it's already open.
So is that going to come out of the box first?
Yes.
Shall we show everybody everything that's in this box then?
Mum, can we take the box away?
Yes, just 1 second.
Open the Sofia First camera.
And this shows us scenes from Sofia the First's world, doesn't
And
it?
if you press this button, it makes the noises. And there's a bird on top that moves when you press it. See?
Shall we get it out of the box then?
Yeah. Now.
So we've got our Sofia the First royal camera from Jakks out of the box. What do you see through the hole?
Mum, look through it.
Okay, I'll have a quick look. But what can you see?
The G.
This is the Royal Prep Art class, which comes with a Sofia the First character, your easel, and a little stand and a little brush that we're going to show you how this works right now. Okay, go on then. What do we do with this?
So, we dip this in the water. And
Okay.
then
What's happening?
it's working, Mum.
Do you want to show us?
Dip the water. And then we rub it on.
And then the picture. Does the picture come to life?
Yeah. See? Just need some more water. If we run out, we can get some more.
Okay. So we put some water on, and now the picture of the unicorn horse comes to life. Does the other side colour in if you put water on it?
No.
Okay. What do we think of this?
Fun.
Is it fun? Do you like Sofia the First?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're looking at Princess Amber's closet, and we're also, let's just have a quick look at the Sofia the First crown. And this is in your hair, isn't this beautiful? Yay. And this is Princess Amber, and Princess Amber comes with, yes, you can change her hair.
Look at her, Mum.
Oh, beautiful.
You do it like this.
Okay.
Watch. See?
Yep, and she comes with, you can change her skirts. So we're just having another look at the skirts, and we think you just pop on another
Sneak.
dress. And we also have...
I can't fit it.
Okay, we'll have a look at that. There's also this tiny little necklace as well that goes around her neck, so we'll pop that on. And this is
Mum, I
the
can't fit it together.
closets, and this spins, which are big hands, and you have a look at the little mirror. Okay, we're having a little trouble with our... It's on?
No. Oh, so tricky.
Okay, so next on our list from Sofia the First is Jade and Crackle in this box, Sofia and Clover, the little rabbits, and this is Ruby and Mia. And are you a little bit excited to open these? Okay.
Let's open this one first.
Okay, should we get on with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we open this one first?
Yes. What did you say?
I love the food of it. That's a very good.
Is it? Okay, so tell us about these toys then. So these are collectible little figures, aren't they?
Yes, and it's got, and they've all got their pets. So we're going to either combine them, because first we're going to do.
So what's the last things out of your cool Sofia the First box that you're going to put all your toys in? You're feeling grumpy, aren't you? Because you want to put your toys in the Sofia the First bag. So we have here, I'll do it for you girls and boys. We have a Sofia the First rucksack that you're very excited about putting all your toys in with Sofia the First on. And we've got a lovely Sofia the First magazine with lots of fun and stickers and pictures and alphabet stuff for you to do. So that'll be fun, won't it? Oh, you're being a princess, aren't you? Do you want to put your stuff in your bag?
Yes.
Okay, do that.